So this is the Create Education website. Now to access the resources, I simply click on the resources menu at the top. This will take me to a landing page. Here I can select resources depending on the type of organisation I am. So primary, secondary or further and higher education. That will take me to all the resources in the library that are suitable for my organisation. If I scroll down the resources landing page, we have several collections of specific resources. So we have resources dedicated to software, education guides, object of the week, project ideas, careers, classroom prints, and if I want to access all the library resources in the library, I would click on the bottom section. So let me just choose one of these, for example, so secondary resources. This takes me to a listing of all the resources that we have that are suitable for secondary schools. To select a resource, so I want to have a look, let's have a look at this home learning project. If I click on read more, that will take me to the page for this resource. There's an introduction to the resource and what it's all about and what it contains on the page itself. There's also some tips for how to use that in the classroom, and all the resource download files are in this column on the right of the page. Now you can only access these downloads if you are logged in to an account. Okay, so I'm already logged in to the ERA judging account. The login details are provided in the supporting evidence pack for this award. So if you log in using your ERA judging username and password, these downloads will appear and you will simply just select the files that you want to look at to download them. Now, different projects and resources have different downloads. So this is a complete home learning project example. So there's a teacher guide, there's a presentation, there's tutorial videos for the students to follow and various worksheets to support the students through that project. Other resources have different download files, so depending on whether it's a project and lesson activity idea. And that's a little overview of the resources we have. Feel free to take a look around the site, and I've included 2 resource packages within the supporting evidence file. That is the home learning project and another of our more recent projects, which is the 3D printing the weather project, which I'll just show you the resource page here. Okay, so these files are already included in the evidence pack, so you don't need to go onto the website to download them. You can access them directly from the evidence submission. However, feel free to download and browse any of the other resources on our website. Thank you.